you? Who are you? You are a hero. Everything you do good. You are hero. If you do one good, you are one hero. If you do two good thing, you are like a superhero. Hero is a man. Hero is a woman. It can be man, it can be woman. So if you want to be a hero, it doesn't matter. Who are you? You are man, you are hero. If you are woman, you are hero. So be a hero is simple. You just do one good thing, you be a hero. You smile to your friends, you be a hero.
You give the money.
You drink water, you are hero. Because you know what?
Bring us then bang is hero.
Make you a hero. Don't forget, be a hero.